Welcome to the model preparation session. So in this session I will teach you that how we can do basic modification in 3D models. So first of all I will show you that first option is, you can see this is whole axis option. So here I will show you that what is the use of whole axis. Suppose you need center line of this hole and whole axis and circle diameters. So easily you can get that from here, whole axis. Just select the whole axis and then select the whole face. So easily you can see now it is showing the diameter is 6 mm and it is already created a circle of that hole and center line of that hole. So easily you can create the center line and you can create the circles, arcs and all. Easily you can create that. And also you can create a whole axis in one time from the model. So if there will be multiple holes, so it will create all the holes, axis line and hole diameters easily. So you can utilize that for drilling purpose. So it will be very easier to program. If you will create it manually, then it will take so much time. So it is very useful. So the next tab is next option is direct editing. So in this option you will get push pull, move, split solid faces. So these are the option. Push pull is very useful. So I will show you that what is the use of this option. Select the push pull option and suppose you have to change the whole diameter. So you can select the face and here if you click, then it will show you that what is the radius. Radius is now 3 mm. So suppose you need it 4 mm. So you can click here directly. You can type the value. So I have typed 4 mm. So software automatically change the that radius, and then you can say OK. So it will change that radius very easily. No need to do. Without history you can edit that model. And the next one is move, and in the same push pull option you can change the radius. Like suppose you have to change this radius, so you can change that. And suppose you have to push pull, you have to pull this face, you can select that face. So first you have to select this face and then select this face, and easily you can translate that where you want to translate. So it's very easy to use. And the next option is move. So here you can change the position of the holes and all. So suppose you have to change this whole position from right side, so you can change that easily. So you can see, suppose you have to translate it only 2.5 mm in y axis. So I will click here 2.5 mm and then say OK. So you can see how easily we translated that hole, how easily we moved that whole position. So easily you can modify that. And the next one I will show you that is modify feature. So in the modify feature, suppose you have to patch this area, create body. So easily you can see how easily we have created the original solid body in that area. Modify feature, select this face and this face, and then I will say OK. So easily you can create the original solid body in that area. So you can utilize modify feature option for patch up purpose. You can fill the holes. Suppose you want to fill all these holes, so you can fill that, select the face and then say OK. So easily you can fill that. So Mastercam creates a solid body in that area. So you can utilize that solid body also if you need dimensions and all. The next one is modify fillet. So suppose you have to modify this fillet. So you can see I will click here. So it will show you that what is the radius. Radius is 2 mm. Suppose you need only 1 mm. So easily you can type there 1 mm and then say enter. So if there will be any mating surfaces, it will, if it will match with other entities, so it will give errors. So easily you can change. First you can change this one and after this one. So I will change that one. Modify fillet, this fillet. I will say 1 mm. So as you can see, you can change that. I will make it 0.5. So you can change the fillets like this. And also if you have to remove this fillet, you can use remove fillet option. So click here, remove fillet, select the face and then say OK. So easily you can move that, you can remove that permanently. And the next one I will show you is add history. So suppose this is imported model, right? So we don't have solid history, so you will get the history but in a single body, right? So suppose you have to modify some holes in one time, so you can add the history. So here you can see there is option for add history. Select the model, or first you can define the radius. So you can define the minimum radius to maximum radius, which radius you want to find out. So suppose you have to find out from 0 to 10 mm. So I will click here, enter, and I will select here create which type of feature you need for editing. So you need a whole operation type of features for editing. So click here and then say OK. So now you can see there is a pop-up window. You can see now software detected 7 holes. 7 holes were detected in one bodies. So you can say OK. So here you will get that. So in the first option, in the first solid body, you will get first one is actual whole body, and the second one is simple holes. So software is now showing that these all are the matching holes. So now Mastercam created the whole groupings individually. So you can edit that. Suppose you have to modify these all first all these 3 holes. You have to change the dimension. So you can directly double click on this simple tab. So double click on that, double click. So it will open a new window. Here you can modify, and the diameter is 6 mm. Suppose you need it only 8 mm. So you can modify that. You can see, and you can change the distance, depth and all here, from here through all. So easily you can modify that. And suppose you have to modify this hole, so you can click here. So what is the hole diameter? I will click on that custom holes. I will double click on that, and here you can see this is the diameter 3. Diameter is 3. Suppose you need 4 mm, so you can click there. So easily you can change that, and you can change the depth also, 8 mm or 10 mm. Taper you can change here also. So how easily you can modify that? So it's very easy to use. If you have any imported model, so you can directly modify that. It's very easy to use in Mastercam. And the next option you will get here layout option. So here you can assemble some bodies, like suppose you have some cylinders, some multiple bodies. So I will create some cylinder and then say OK, and I will create some blocks and all. So we will assemble that. So I will go to the model preparation command, and I will show you, and there is option for align to face. So I will align this face with this face. So easily how you can see how easily we can align the faces, align the bodies in the same direction by using the face. So now we have to align this face with this face, and if you have to change the angle, so you can change that. You can say 45 degree, so you can do that, move. So that is also customizable, so you can change that during align. So now you can see we have aligned these 3 bodies. So suppose we have to do programming of these 3 parts individually, so you can disassemble all these parts. So here you can see there is option for disassemble. So click on that and select all these 3 bodies. So here you can say move. If you will say move, then you will get all these 3 bodies individually, and you can choose the direction X, Y, Z, which one you need. And also you can create also you can move all these 3 bodies in individual levels. So you can click here, move to levels, and then say OK. So you can see how easily we have disassembled all these bodies. And here in the level option you will get that first one is no, this one is individually you will get all these 3 bodies. So first one, this one is the in 1000 level, and the second one is 1011, and the third one is 102. So easily you can disassemble, you can assemble the parts. And the last one is color change. So you can change the color individual. So this is solid body, right? So in the old version it was not available. So in the latest version you can change the faces in individual colors. So you can see I will change this color face, this face color. So now it is blue. Suppose we have to change this color, so you can change that red color. Okay, and suppose now we have to change all these bodies in one time. So you can use here set feature, select which color you want. So you want all these colors in sky, so I will select the sky color and then say okay, and then select the one face and then say okay. So you can change you can change that manually also. Suppose you need this face in sky color, so you can change that. So it is very easy to use, you can utilize that. So these are all the options which we have used from model preparation